Hi everyone, my name is THUONG. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, let's explore the night market in Da Nang City, Vietnam. In this video, I will try some of the food here and suggest what you should do when you come here. Let's go! This market is called Sondra Night Market, about 50 meters from Dragon Bread. It is open from about 6 p.m. to midnight. First, I will buy some food and drinks. Here they sell many famous Vietnamese dishes such as noodle, grilled seafood, grilled meat, bánh mì, and many other snacks and drinks. I just bought a skewer of pork, beef, and grilled corn. They will skewer meat and some vegetables together, grill them, and put some sesame seeds on top. Try the beef first. It's quite delicious but a bit tough and hard to chew. Next, let's try the grilled corn. I think grilled pork tastes better than beef. They burnt it and I have to throw some away. This dish will be eaten with dipping sauce and vegetables. I bought a carrot juice, about 25,000 Vietnam dong, $1. They are made entirely from fruit, and the price is also very cheap. Just $1, you can have a very delicious and fresh drink. Overall, the food today was okay, not very good. The drinks are very delicious. I paid $4 for all these food and drinks. Next, try the rose ice cream. There are many flavors for you to choose from. All of them cost 30,000 Vietnam dong, about $1.2. They are made from milk and some fruit syrups or fruit jam. It's always crowded here. You choose the flavor you like. They finish making it and then you pay. Menu available in English and Korean. Staff can speak English, so no need to worry. I'm going to film them making the rose ice cream. It's pretty fun, interesting. I choose strawberry rose ice cream. You can mix 2 flavors if you want. The price will not change. After eating, we will walk around the market. There are many activities you can try. You can buy souvenirs for your family, friends, try some games and massage. I will get a massage at this parlor. The price is about $5 for 30 minutes. You will get a foot bath with herbs, which will help reduce your foot joint pain. They will massage your neck, shoulder, and feet. They will then massage your feet with hot essential oils, acupressure, and hot stone massage. I feel very comfortable and relaxed. You should try them when you come here. Thank you for always watching and supporting me. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks and see you in the next video. Bye!